This is Liberty stock number 50757, Mori Seiki, model NV5000A, vertical machining center, serial number NV501DB1614, year built 2004. It's equipped with the Mori FANUC MSG 501, which is a FANUC 18IM, Niken 4th-Axis, rigid tapping, spindle orientation, through spindle coolant, chip conveyor. That's it. Let's do our walk around.
Walk through it. Hit the front end. Go back into position just for what it's worth. It's a starting point. Conveyor on the side here, obviously. Carousel up high.
30 position, 40 taper.
Down low, your cooling system, pumps, leveling pads. The manual control up there for the index. Switch gear. Get through there. On the FANUC servos, spindle drive up there. Second one from the left. Power supply on the left. And then all the axes, servos. Drive and main disconnect on the left here. This is me temped in currently, 220 volts. They're all labeled. Air package, 4th-Axis brake, and all the rest of the air. Get the loop system down there, the shower. Alright. This is, of course, spindle chiller. Yeah, let's try jogging, and maybe we can try the carousel once. If not, we'll just jump into a program. But in jog with this screen, I guess we can move things around. In standard mode, not rapid, I think we move real slow here. Yeah, this right here, I'm at 100% on the override, and it's just moving along nice and slow. Y's moving. Z, we can bring Z down a little bit. So that works in slow-mo, or we jump up the rapid at 2, and I'll go Z again. I can't see over there. I have to move over a little bit here. Okay, and X. Yeah, I'll lose it. Y, where's Y? I lost it. Here's number 4. Do the rotary. Now go pull up one time, 100%, and we'll go again one more time. Same 4 axes. And Y. X, and then Z. Z down. And move X over a little bit. That all looks pretty good. And of course, number 4 again, just a little bit faster. That's that. I don't know, I can try moving the carousel once, give it a shot. If not, maybe you go over there, I can try tool number 1 and see if it moves one time. Let me know. If not, I'm just going to go into program once. Program and team. Let me know if it moves now.
Yep.
Yep, that's just movement. Just to see how that goes. And then on the program we do a few tool changes, but I think if I did MO6 right now, it would actually go there. We could try it. I'm still in MDI. Let me do an MO6, and it should just shoot right on over and do its thing, I think. Yep, whatever tool that is. The program will find its own tool. That said, that's position. There's program, of course. And if I get into edit, we can see what program is up there. It's just a long, we're not going to go through this whole thing. There's some wording on there, then it actually gets into the program page after page. We'll go about halfway through it. They're doing some arcs on there, some real small movement, whatever's in there. We'll go until you say we've seen enough. That said, you can go into the system end, there's the FANUC end, the back end is of course all FANUC. And the front end back over here is Mori Seiki. Coolant, all of this good stuff. Oh, we can run the spindle. Actually, we wanted to try running the spindle once. Let me try this. In MDI, there we go. And program. Just run the spindle up, I forgot. M03. I'm just gonna go up there. Let's see if it takes that. I'm gonna try this once. And we're down at 50% on the override. There we go. So we're called for 10,000. We're at 5. And I'll bring it up to 8 or 9. That's 7. There's 10. And go back in the jog, and we can play with that all over again, of course, right off the manual keys. I'm gonna bring it down. That's 7,000. Try reverse ones. Sounds about the same, which is good. $10,000. I think the program's running. I looked through it. Maybe it's about 4,000 on the program, so I thought I'd go up and just go right to 10 on there. That's pretty much it with the manual aspect of it in the front end. We do have a program in there, and I can just switch over right to automatic memory. We can bring it around after I hit it, and we kind of watch them both. And I'll switch back and forth between the go screen and the program screen. I can just do that. So in automatic, we're good to go, and I'll hit cycle start. We're at 100% here. We're on the high end rapid, so it's going to really move, and let's see how it goes. Over travel Z. Oh, I went too high. Let me see if I can bring that down. I didn't realize that. And let me get back in the jog and bring her down a little bit. And Z, let's see if I can move Z. It's moving. Let me rapid it down a little bit. Let's leave it right there. We should be good. And there's a way to check messages, NC alarms, no more. PC alarms, we're good. So we're good to go. Let's leave it right there. Let's try and run that program again. And memory, we're still clear. Start cycle, let's see how this works. Did I switch? I just switched to memory. Oh, it's moving real slow, I see. All right, well, let's see. We're at 100% feed. But that's moving really slow to where it needs to go. What have I done wrong? 100 times, one here. No, I'm gonna stop it. Program, one more time, hang on. There's the program. Let me go back to the top. And that's top. I might have been into the program already, I don't know. Back to that. That's good, that's good. Everything seems to be all right. Let's try one more time. Start, there we go. There we go. I might have had it out of position, I don't know. You can kind of see it doing an arc. You can bring this over if you want a little bit. That's the program rolling by. I can speed it up, I have no tools in there. And you can kind of see it doing a half arc. This little circle there. That looks like a full circle there. That's at 3,200 RPM. You see it moving here. X and Y, they're circling. Now they're slowing it down 2,500. We'll go through one more tool change, and this program goes on for about 20 minutes, I think. Keeps going lower and lower. Alright. Going to go a little bit more. You get one more tool if you want. One more tool change or...
Good.
Okay? Pretty much it right there.
Yeah, good. Real good.
That was good. Shut it down. Close it up.